If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to never miss any update from our channel.
Hey guys, welcome to Gadget Blast. Today in this video I'll be reviewing the Evolution X Rom based on Android Pie on our Redmi Note 4, and the ROM is really awesome guys, and it is built on the latest 9. As I can see, I have faced no issues till now. I have installed 2 days back and everything is working fine from apps, the no boot loops, and the installation is same steps. You have to follow it. Just after installing it, you have to install the root file. There is the Magix or SuperSU, whichever you are suitable with, and I am using the currently dark theme. And if you go to settings, the RAM management is also quite good. Wi-Fi is working fine, then the mobile data, then all the connections. I am using 2 sims. So, and you also get the digital well-being that I have already told in my previous videos about how it works, digital well-being. And you get lot of customizations like the Resurrection Remix ROM, and beside that, here if you go to Evolution X, you will get the different settings. The status bar, you can change the look and feel, and many more are there. You can change it according to your wish. And as you can see in the notification bar, I have given the Evolution X logo above here, so you can change it going here. So if you go to about phone, you will get all the information. It is running on Android 9, as you can see, the latest build. And the security patch, yeah, it's the latest 5 July 2019. So overall, the usage and feel of the room is quite good. I am facing no issues till now. And talking about the camera, so here's the camera app. It's working fine. I think it is the Google camera. So as you can see, the picture quality is good. It works fine. So other than this, no such changes. It's based on the AOSP also. So other things beside the Evolution X, all the themes and all are same. So I'll provide the links in the description below, and you have to unlock the bootloader as you know it, and you have to root the files. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you like it. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.